going to go back into those symbols tools, and this time we're going to go to our charts and fraction tiles. We can add fractions. We have our whole tile, half, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, eighth, 10th, and 12th. I'm going to select that whole tile and add it in. I need to make sure that I go back to my selection tool in between each tiles so that I can add those tiles in. And then once we have all those tiles added in, and if you're only focusing on one tile, then you're just going to use that one tile. But when you're wanting to build the comparisons to get you started with the fractions, then you can pull them, and as you can see here, I can lock my fraction tiles so that they're stacked on top of each other. I can right align it or I can left align it. Either way, it works. However best you like to present it so that your students can understand this better when you're comparing fractions and showing them the fraction tiles. We can also adjust the colors for each of our fraction tiles. So you'll select the fraction tile, and then you see I have the whole selected, and the background color I can change, the border and the text I can change. Now the other interesting thing that I can do here is I can change that half into a whole, and then I'll adjust it and I have them locked so that I can't adjust it right now. So I'll select it again, and I'll turn that back into a half. And you can continue to do that with each of those, adjusting the colors, adjusting their size, however you see fit. So there's a quick overview of the fraction tiles.